Morning dear student, I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivaras Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric progression GP, A, AR square, so on. Where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Next, general term of the GP, AN equal to A R to the power n minus 1, where an is the nth term of the GP. Sum of the first n term of the GP, Sn equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. Today we are going to discuss about geometric mean. Geometric mean of two numbers. The geometric mean of two positive numbers is the numbers square root AB. Geometric mean is the abbreviation as the GM or simply G, capital G, that is GM or capital G is equal to square root of AB. Square root of AB is the geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B. Here A, G and B is a GP. That means we can insert a number between two positive numbers G to make the resulting sequence is a GP. Then this inserting number is said to be the geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B. For examples, to find geometric mean of 2 and 8. Here two positive numbers A is equal to, here A equal to 2 and B equal 8. We find the capital G, value of the capital G. Capital G is equal to square root of A. G is the geometric mean of the two positive numbers A and B. G equal square root 2 into 8. G equal square root 16. This equal to plus minus 4. Here geometric mean of 2 and 8 is the plus minus 4. That means 2, 4, 8 or 2 minus 4, 8 is GP. The geometric mean, here geometric mean is the 4 and here is the geometric mean is the 4. Geometric mean means we insert the numbers between 2 and 8 to make the resulting sequence is the GP. Check 2, 4, 8 is the GP or not. Here first term is the 2, second term is the 4 and third term is the 8. Find the common ratio. 4 upon 2 equal to 2 and 8 upon 4 equal to 2. Here the common ratio is the 2. Then this sequence is the GP. And also check whether this 2 minus 4, 8 is the GP or not. Minus 4 upon 2 equal to minus 2 and 8 upon minus 4 equal to minus 2. Here R equal to 2 and here R equal to minus 2. Then both sequence is the GP, then 4 and minus 4 is the geometric mean of 2 and 8. Here given two numbers, two positive numbers A and B. Here given two positive numbers A and B. We can insert many numbers between A and B as like. Then to make the resulting sequence is the GP, then this inserting numbers is said to be the geometric mean of A and B. Let G1, G2, G3, G4, so on, Gn, B, and numbers between two positive numbers A and B such that A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma G4 so on comma Gn comma B is a GP. Then inserting these numbers are, that means G1, G2, G3, G4 so on, Gn are called the geometric means of A and B. Now let us consider common ratio of A, G1, G2, G3, G4 so on, Gn, B is R. And first term of this GP, first term of GP is A and the common ratio of GP is R. We consider the common ratio of this is a GP, we consider the common ratio of this GP is the R, and first term of this GP is the A and last term of this GP is the B. How many term in this GP? This is the n and n plus 1, n plus 2. Total number of term in this GP is the n plus 2. Then T n plus 2 is equal to B. We can find the value of Tn plus 2. That means we use the formula of general term of the GP. Here Tan plus 2 equal to A r to the power n plus 2 minus 1. This equal to A r to the power n plus 1. Now A value of Tn plus 2 equal to A r to the power n plus 1 is equal to B. This implies that r to the power n plus 1 equal to B upon A. This implies that r to the power n plus 1 equal to B upon A. Then this implies that r equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Here the value of the common ratio r is equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. We find the value of G1. G1 is the second term of this GP second term of the this GP, that means G1 equal to AR. Second term of this GP, that means G1 equal to AR to the power 2 minus 1. This gives AR. Here G1 equal to AR, value of R, B upon A to the power 1 upon N plus 1. Again we find the value of G2. AR to the power G2 is the third term of the GP. Third term of the GP. G2 equal to AR to the power 3 minus 1 equal to AR square. Substitute the value of R. A value of R, B upon A to the power 2 upon N plus 1. Similar way we can find the value of G3 comma G4 so on Gn. Here Gn is equal to AR to the power, here Gn is the n plus 1 term of the this GP, then Gn equal to AR to the power n. This equal to A, value of R equal to B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. Now further we here let two positive numbers A and B. We insert two. We can insert, we like as one geometric mean between them, two geometric mean between them, three geometric mean between them. As you like, you can insert the number of the geometric mean in the between them. Number one geometric mean we can insert one geometric mean between A and B. We can insert one geometric mean between A and B. Here A, G and B. Number of geometric mean is the n equal to 1. Then G equal to, here G equal to n, put the n equal to 1. A, B upon A, 1 upon n plus 1. G equal to A, B upon A, 1, value of n equal to 1. That means 1 plus 1. G equal to A, B upon A, 1 upon 2. We can solve and find the value of this equal to square root AB. If we can insert one geometric mean between A and B, then we can find the value of G equal to square root AB. Again, to insert two geometric mean between A and B. Here we can insert two geometric mean between A and B. Here A, one geometric mean is the G1 and second geometric mean is the G2 and B. G1 is equal to A, G1 equal to A, B upon A, 1 upon n plus 1, and G2 equal to A, B upon A to the power 1 upon n, 2 upon n plus 1. Here put the n equal to 2 and here put the n equal to 2. We find the value of G1 and G2. a b upon a to the power 2 n equal to 2 1 by 3. This equal to a b upon a. Here put the value of n equal to 2 because we find the two geometric mean between a and b. Then 2 upon 3. Therefore a comma a b upon a to the power 1 upon 3 comma a b upon a to the power 2 upon 3 comma b is GP. You can check it. A b upon a to the power 1 upon 3 and a b upon a to the power 2 by 3 comma b is in GP. We can insert two geometric mean between a and b. Is the first is the this and second is the this. Similarly we can insert three geometric mean between a and b. Now here we insert three geometric mean between a and b. We can insert two geometric mean between a and b. A and b, two positive number, we can insert two geometric mean g1 and g2. Then the value of g1 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n and g2 equal to this and b. Here we insert the number of geometric mean 2, then put the n equal to 2. N equal to 2, we obtain the value of 1 by 3 and 2 by 3b. Then two geometric mean between a and b is the first is the this and second is the this. Similarly we can insert three geometric mean between a and b. A comma g1 comma g2 comma g3 comma b. Here a g1 equal to a into b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1. g2 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon 2 upon n plus 1 comma a b upon a to the power 3 upon n plus 1 comma b. Here the value of g1, g2, g3. We can insert how many geometric mean between a and b? 3 geometric mean. We can insert 3 geometric mean between a and b. Then we put the value of n equal to 3. A comma a b upon a 1 upon 3 1 4 comma a b upon a to the power 2 upon 4 comma a b upon a 3 upon 4 comma b. A first geometric mean is this, second geometric mean of this and third geometric mean of this. We can insert three geometric means between a and b. A and this and this and this and this is in GP. We understand by this concept with the help of the examples to insert one geometric mean between 1 and 2. Here our question is to insert one geometric mean between 1 and 2. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, n equal to 1, g equal to square root ab. Then this equal to square root 2, a square root 2 and 2 is GP. Again to insert two geometric mean between 1 and 2. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and n equal to 2. How many geometric mean? 2 geometric means. G1 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1, and G2 equal to a b upon a into 2 the power 2 upon n plus 1. Here put the n equal to 2 and here also put the n equal to 2. We find the value of G1 and find the value of G2. G1 equal to a b upon a, value of a equal to 1 and value of 2 equal to b equal to 2. Then 2 the power and value of n equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 3, and here 1 2 upon 1 and 2 by 3. This gives 2 to the power 2 upon 3. That means your GP is the 1. First geometric mean is the 2 to the power 1 by 3, and second geometric mean is the 2 to the power 2 by 3, and fourth that means b equal to 2. Check whether this is a GP or not. We divide this and this and this, we gives equal common ratio to the power 1 by 3. Hence this is the GP, and we can insert two geometric means. First is the 2 to the power 1 by 3 and second is the 2 to the power 2 by 3. Similar way we can insert three geometric mean between 1 and 2. To insert three geometric mean between 1 and 2. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and n equal to 3. How many geometric mean? 3 geometric mean. That means n equal to 3. 1 G1, G2, G3 and 2. Find the value of G1. G1 equal to a b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Here n equal to 3 and value of a equal to 1 and value of b equal to 2 to the power 1, value of n equal to 3, that means 4. G1 equal to 2 to the power 1 by 4, and G2 equal to a b upon a to the power 2 upon n plus 1. That means a value of a equal to 1, value of b equal to 2, value of a equal to 1, then 2 the power 2 by 4, that means 2 to the power 1 by 2, and G3 is equal to a b upon a to the power 3 upon n plus 1. This gives the value 2 the power 3 upon 4, that means 2 to the power 3 upon 4. First geometric means is the this, and second is the this, and third is the this. Your GP is 1 comma 2 the power 1 by 4 comma 2 the power 1 by 2, the value of G2 comma 2 the power 3 by 4, the value of G3 and comma 2 is a GP. Check whether this is a GP or not. We divide 2 the power 1 by 4 by 1, we find the value of 2 the power 1 by 4. Also we divide 2 to the power 1 by 2 upon 2 the power 1 by 4, then gives the value 2 the power 1 by 4. Also this gives the value of 2 the power 1 by 4. Also gives the value of 2 the power 2 by 1 by 4. Here in this question, insert three numbers. Insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that resulting so that resulting sequence is a GP. In this question, insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that resulting sequence is the GP. Solution. Question tell me three geometric mean between 1 and 256. Let us we consider G1, G2, G3. The three numbers, we insert the three numbers 1, G1, G2, G3 and 256 is a GP. We find the value of G1, G2, G3. Here A equal to 1. We find the value of R. R is equal to, we also know that R equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Here n equal to 3, A equal to 1 and B equal to 256. Now find the value of R. R is the 25th. ये B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. R equal B, value of the B 256 and value of A 1 into 256 upon 1 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 1. R is equal to 256 to the power 1 upon 4. R equal to 4 to the R equal to plus minus 4. The value of R equal to plus minus 4 and find the value of G1. G1 is the second term of this GP and first term of the GP is the A. A equal to 1, R equal to, we take the R equal to 4, then G1 is equal to AR. Value of A equal to 1, value of R equal to 4, G1 equal to 4. Similarly G2 AR square 1 4 to the power 2, that means 16, and G3 equal to AR to the power 3. This is the fourth term of the GP 1 3 and this value is the 64. Here if you take the value of R equal to 4, then the three geometric means between this 1 4 16 and 64 256. Your answer 4 16 and 64. Again if we take R equal minus 4, then we find G1 G2 G3 also. G1 equal to AR, G1 equal to AR, this is the second term of the GP AR. Value of A equal to 1, value of R equal to, we take the value of R equal to minus 4, then G1 equal to minus 4, G2 equal to 1 into minus 4 to the power 2, G2 equal to 16 and G3 equal to 1 minus 4 to the power 3. This equal minus 64. If you take the value of R equal to minus 4, then G1 equal to 4, G2 equal to minus 16, G1 equal to 4, G1 equal to -4, G2 equal to 16 and G3 equal to -64. There, which is your answer? Complete the question. I hope you solve the remaining question of exercise 9.3, and in next lecture we will discuss about relationship between the geometric mean and arithmetic mean and solve the exercise 9.3. Thank you, student.